Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to Hustle Hub. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that many of you have requested: how to start a business from scratch. Starting a business can be an incredibly rewarding journey, but it's essential to start on the right foot. So, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur looking for a fresh start or a complete newbie eager to embark on this adventure, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. Section 1: Idea Generation. The first step in starting a business from scratch is coming up with a solid business idea. Here are a few tips to help you brainstorm. Passion and skills. Think about your passions and skills. What are you genuinely good at or deeply passionate about? Your business idea should align with your interests and expertise. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to identify gaps or opportunities in the market. What problems can your business solve? Who is your target audience? Competition analysis. Analyze your potential competitors. What are they doing well, and where are they falling short? How can your business offer something better or unique? Section 2: Business Planning. Once you have a business idea, it's time to create a solid plan to turn it into a reality. Business plan. Develop a detailed business plan that outlines your business concept, target market, revenue model, and financial projections. A well-structured plan is essential for attracting investors and guiding your business. Legal structure. Decide on the legal structure of your business, such as sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Each structure has its advantages and disadvantages, so choose the one that suits your goals. Financial planning. Create a budget and financial forecast. How much money do you need to start your business, and where will it come from? This includes personal savings, loans, or investors. Section 3: Funding your business. Funding is a critical aspect of starting a business. Let's explore your options. Bootstrapping. Start with your savings or revenue generated by the business. This is often the most challenging but gives you complete control. Seek investors. Pitch your business idea to angel investors or venture capitalists if your business has high growth potential. Small business loans. Explore options for small business loans from banks or government programs. Section 4: Legal requirements. Now, let's talk about the legal side of starting a business. Register your business. Register your business with the appropriate government authorities and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Taxation. Learn about the tax obligations for your business type and set up a system to manage taxes. Intellectual property. If applicable, protect your business name, logo, or product with trademarks or patents. Section 5: Building your brand. Building a strong brand is crucial for attracting customers. Here's what you need to do. Name and logo. Choose a memorable business name and design a professional logo. Online presence. Create a website and set up social media profiles. Your online presence is often the first impression you make on potential customers. Marketing plan. Develop a marketing strategy that includes content marketing, social media marketing, and other promotional efforts. Section 6: Launching your business. The moment you've been waiting for, it's time to launch your business. Soft launch. Consider a soft launch to test your products or services with a smaller audience and gather feedback. Marketing blitz. Execute your marketing plan to generate buzz and attract customers. Customer service. Focus on delivering exceptional customer service to build loyalty from the start. Section 7: Continuous learning and adaptation. Remember, the journey doesn't end at the launch. To succeed, you must continuously learn, adapt, and evolve your business. Customer feedback. Listen to customer feedback and make improvements based on their suggestions. Market trends. Stay updated on industry trends and be ready to pivot if necessary. Networking. Build a network of mentors, fellow entrepreneurs, and industry experts for support and guidance. Starting a business from scratch is a challenging but incredibly rewarding experience. It requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance, but with the right mindset and planning, you can turn your dream into a thriving business. So, go out there, take that first step, and make your entrepreneurial vision a reality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more valuable content on entrepreneurship and business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.